Hey, how's it going today, guys? It's Jeremy with No More 9 to 5. And today I got for you a pretty cool little software or program coming out with, I don't know if you guys have heard of it yet. It's called John Crestani's Super Affiliate System. And just so you know, I tried to show my face here, guys, but we're having problems with my webcam today. I don't know why it ain't working, so we're going to have to do this review without no webcam today, but oh well. We've had to deal with worse, right? So, anyway, here's... I hope you guys can see my screen. This is John Crestani himself here. First off, I'm going to play a little video for you guys. It's like 2 minutes, and we're going to watch it. It kind of tells you a little bit about him, and then I'll kind of go into what we got for you. So let's see if we can get this going here real quick.
For me, what always drove me was really, I call it like just experiencing life and being a person. There were so many case studies and so many people were doing this, and I said, this is exactly what I want to do. I want to be able to travel the world, experience life, build skills, and also have a business that contributes and runs. All of these businesses, some would make a little bit of money, but they'd only work for like a little bit. I did affiliate marketing, and I could never get something that was like sustainable. I used to get pretty bad panic attacks because I would be trying to start a business, or I wouldn't be where I wanted in life. All I was doing was just learning and applying and trying to start business and investing in, websites or ads or whatever, and I just kept trying to make it work. It was really stressful. It's not that hard. I think it's the concept that's really jarring to most people. I think a lot of people just don't understand the kind of framework for doing everything on the internet. Over 50 countries: Colombia, Brazil, Morocco, Egypt, Fiji, Dubai, Germany, all across Europe, Ireland, New Zealand. I could go on and on. I've been on every continent except Antarctica.
Well, that's a little bit about John Crestani, and the system's called Super Affiliate System, and it's a pretty good system for newbies, especially if you're just starting out. The way he's got his system kind of, I don't know what you call it, like lined out for you, so that people come in. A big problem: people come in and they want to make money right away, and they don't get it, and they think they're just going to be able to snap their fingers and there's money in it. It's not like that. When they get in here and realize it's going to take some work, a lot of people get discouraged and quit before they even really get started. So this one, he's kind of laid it out where he shows you a free traffic strategy where beginners can come in and do this strategy and make some quick money fast. I mean, it ain't no get you rich money, but it'll get you your first commissions coming in, which once you get that, and for a lot of people it's a mindset thing, and it kind of switches something in your mind that when you get that first commission, it just hey, this is possible, I can do this. So he's got it set up so that you can go through and get your first commissions like that, $20, $30 commissions, nothing big, but get you those first ones coming in so you know that it's possible. And then he teaches you with another one how to scale up using blogs or vlogs, either or, with review strategy that he's got. And it's a free strategy as well, so you guys can come in here with very little money and get started and take off with it. So And then he's also got another one. Once you get going with some money with that, it shows you how to get into paid ads. this guy's like the expert at paid ads. I'll tell you that. I've seen him, and he's good with paid ads. If you want to learn more about paid ads, I would definitely recommend watching through this guy. But anyway, he's got a course after that, after you scale it with the free traffic, how to get into paid traffic. And he'll show you how he did it. He actually gives you, I think it's like $895 in free advertising. So to get you started off in free ads, it's $895, I think, to start out. And free, don't cost you anything. And but once you do that, though, you're gonna, that requires websites and stuff like that, hosting, and so you don't need that to get started. But once you get going, if you do want to scale it, you will have to get hosting. And I would recommend, and he recommends as well, is getting ClickFunnels to build your landing pages and your squeeze pages and stuff like that. It's a $97 a month program though, so some people that's not an option for, but they do have a 2-week trial. So a lot of people actually can get it and get in that 2 weeks and start making money, and then it's paid for. And so anyway, yeah, if you're gonna do that, I would recommend it. And I'll leave both of them for hosting and ClickFunnels. I'll leave a link below if you do want to go check it out. You can check it out. There'll be a link down there in the description. You can go check out and check it out there. And I would recommend ClickFunnels if you do decide to scale it, just because for that reason, it makes, I don't know, it's just really newbie friendly. If you're going to build pages, there's no coding, there's none of that stuff involved. Anyway, get on with that. Anyway, just we're going to be showing you today is he'll show you how to do paid ads, and then not only will he show you how to do it, he'll actually give you all the ad copy, all the Facebook ads, all the YouTube ads, gives you all the pre-sale pages. I mean, everything. This guy's going to basically, you're just copying him. He's going to do it all for you. If anybody's looking to get into affiliate marketing or internet marketing, I would definitely recommend it this way, because he's doing everything for you. And everybody knows that it's a lot easier to take something someone's already got proven that is working, and scale it from there. And so versus looking at a blank page and starting to, especially for newbies, it's really hard to look at a blank canvas and be like, where do I go? Where do I get started from here? I know for me it was. I tried to get all creative in first, and I realized real quickly that it's better to go and start with something that's proven and then kind of make it your own and tweak it from there. But anyway, he's going to give you everything, basically hold your hand. And actually, if you, at the end there, if you listen to this training I'm going to talk about here in a minute, we'll show you here in a sec, we're going to get into that. This training, he's going to show you how to do all this stuff, and then at the end he's actually going to offer for some people to actually partner up with him. And we'll get into that here in a second. It's really, really, really cool, but just kind of want to give you a brief description of what we're getting into and what the training is going to be about, so you don't waste your time. If it's not for you, you don't have to click through to it. But he's this guy, I'm telling you, you should listen to him, and that's why I want to do the review today. And I did it without my webcam because I just wanted to get it out there to you guys. And by the way, I do have a couple more subscribers. I would like to say, if you guys are watching, thank you so much. Trying to get this channel growing and give you guys some good reviews. And I seen this one, that's why I wanted to get it out, even though I couldn't get my webcam going today. So we'll kind of get into it here. Let's see what we got. Okay, right here. This is my page here. This is the exclusive review page. And you can see here, we got a timer here and stuff. But if I got some bonuses, some secret bonuses for you guys if you do decide to go any further with this. But come over here to my page, and there'll be a link in the description to click here, and you can come check this out. And this is just kind of simplified it down and made it more readable for you guys instead of the clutter that was going on with the sales page and stuff. So see here, you got these buttons here. If you click here, this will take you through to the training I'm talking about with John Crestani, and he'll take you through the training. It's a really good training. But if you guys don't want to take it any further, he offers something at the end there if you guys want to team up with him, but you don't have to take it. Some people, you can just take the training and go with it. If you're smart enough, he gives you everything in here. You can just take it and run. But he don't give you the ad copy and stuff. If you're going to do it on your own, you're going to do it on your own. But anyway, there's these buttons all through my page. If you want to click on any of these buttons, they will take you through to what I'm talking about and kind of go over a little bit about the program he's going to be talking about. It's a top-selling, high-ticket, evergreen BizOp product. Here's some videos, some testimonials. You guys can watch them. I'm not going to go through them right now, but they're on here. You can watch them and go through them in your own time. These are testimonials, people that went through it and actually got results. Here are a few examples of hundreds of testimonial students left on our Facebook page. Talks about this guy Tyler here, how he's making 7 figures now. One of his first students, Ronnie, and his wife have actually teamed up here, and you can see their results here. They've made some pretty good money, and their video is also in a link down here you can check out too if you want to see their whole story. And he kind of goes through it in the training a little bit, but there's that. And then just kind of put this in here for you guys. Super Affiliate System has been reborn with its version 2.0. This system will teach you how to create a profitable online business and how to monetize it quickly. Its purpose is to accelerate everything, especially time and effort, with paid advertising. Do you think it's for you? Read my review. Here we go. Another button here you can check out if you don't want to go through the rest of this and just click through. Here's a small sample of the testimonial videos. Got some more videos in here. He just loads it up with testimonials, guys. So if you want to hear these, I'm not going to go through them, but they're on here. So if you guys want to go through them, there's some more testimonials. And then here, my bonus. This is a bonus here that if you guys do decide to go any further with it and you go through with on my link, I'm going to give you guys a special little secret bonus. And that's what the timer up above is for this bonus. If you don't click through and get the bonus before the timer goes to 0, then you're asked out. But here's my little bonus. If you guys want to check it out, just click through and it'll show you. Anyway, let's see. Here's some slides I wanted to show you guys, kind of more of what to expect. So this is him and his wife, how he started his business. We're just going to make it a quick one. I don't want to take up too much of you guys' time. Like I said, I just want to kind of show you what it's about. And if you guys want to see more, you can click the links and learn more. But he was on Forbes, and Forbes did a big magazine thing on him. You know what about this guy, how he likes to travel. And anyway, you can go check that out if you'd like to too. But this is what he's going to show you today. Exact same strategies that he grow his marketing business to earning 1.5 million in 5 months. Without, that's right, no product, no clients, and no support, guys. There's another one of Tyler that I was just telling you about. This is another one, Brian. Looks like he's balling. This is the other one with Ronnie and Sam and his wife. And then, oh, sorry, click kind of fast. This is Jordan and them from Utah. They were from Utah and they got his course. They just had a new baby and they moved out to a new condo out here by the beach, and all thanks to John Crestani's method here. So like I said, you can check out the testimonials and stuff more. I just want to kind of show you guys the rundown here. Kind of what it's about. Free marketing course, guaranteed entry into a top affiliate program. Like I said, offers a few people to work with him. Employees tired of the 9-to-5 grind. Entrepreneurs who are looking for the big possible way to make big income online. Marketers who are looking to add another stream of income. He goes through the house rules. You know, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Sorry, it's this will be interactive. Neither his results or his students are typical, of course. You know, the people you're going to hear and see that he shows through all these testimonials, they actually work to get there. I mean, whoever puts in the work and puts in the effort, you will get the results. And that I promise you. If you do the work, you will get these results. But a lot of people, they come in, they don't want to do the results. Like I said, they just want a quick easy button or something, and that's just not life. You got to work for anything, you know what I mean? So it does not require an email list, no products, no clients, customer support. Who am I? John Crestani, freelance marketer. He's out of California, lives in the rural California area, grew his marketing business from nothing to over $442,000 a month in less than 4 years' time. This is, by the way, the slides that he's going to go over. I'm just kind of humming through them, you know, so if it's going too fast for you, like I said, click through and watch it. He goes through, takes his time and goes through this. I just kind of humming through it, give you guys a rundown. I'm sure if any of you guys have been around for a while, you've heard of the 4-hour work week. He just talks about that's the book that got him started. That's his cubicles he used to work in, 4 years of failure. This is his mentor. He talks about how he struggles till he finally found a mentor. Shows you his actual tax statements, so nothing faked about that. You know, that's illegal if you fake tax documents. So he shows you those, shows you kind of what he's made, kind of goes through where he's been, places he's able to see because of the stuff he's going to teach you guys in this lesson. Racing through the desert on sports cars over here, you see, I guess this is the world's tallest bungee cord. Snowboarding with some buddies. Egypt, that would be cool. I'd like to check that place out sometime. This is kind of a story, some of the features, people that's featured him, did articles on him. This is reoccurring revenue. This is another one of the students he talks about this guy, one of the richest men. This talks about this guy, got the Lucky Bastards TV show on, I think it's A&E, I believe. So what he's going to show you, this. It's only a simple 3-step system that he's put together to eliminate risk, instability, and my affiliate business. And then he gives you guys the 7 biggest mistakes that affiliates make. So I suggest, like I said, even if you don't take you up on the program, at least watch the training. There's some good nuggets in there. He does give you this 3-step system if you want to run off and do it yourself. Tear it up. But there's some good nuggets in there. You should check it out, if not for the offer, at least for the training. Talks about you can do it from anywhere, doesn't require no technical skills, only takes a few hours a week. You can do it on your own schedule. Don't need a lot of money to get started. Like I said, I think it's, if you want to take it past the free traffic, it's just hosting and ClickFunnels or some kind of page builder, which I'll leave a link down below if you guys do want to go check that stuff out. This is exactly what these students of mine have done to make their dreams come true. Some more proof and some more of his students. And this is kind of cool story. He goes through that. He plays a little video about this 15-year-old kid that actually made money. So, I mean, heck, 15-year-old kids are doing it. So, people can do it. It's possible. And this is kind of a picture of all of his students here. This is everybody he's taught, trained, that's actually making money. These are simple steps to create a massive 7-figure business. You don't need your own product. You don't need your own email list. Nothing like that. Shows how he raced around the desert with his buddies in some super sports cars. His story, live demo. He goes through all that stuff. I don't think there's really anything else interesting in these slides that you guys really are going to care to see. So anyway, that's just kind of a little bit about it. Like I said, I wish I had my webcam and can show you some other stuff. But anyway, it's an awesome program. I wanted to get out here to show you guys. And again, like, I just want to say thanks a lot to people that did subscribe and help me out, help me get this channel going. That is way awesome. I do appreciate you guys, really, I do. And that's one more thing. Let's go over bonuses. Remember, guys, nobody else is giving this stuff out. This is just exclusive to me and me only. I came up with this bonus for you guys. You know, nobody else has this. So if you guys do want to get a bonus here, you're going to click these links. Any of these orange buttons will take you through to my link. And then once you get the link, very important now, guys, listen up. Once you click through, if you do decide to buy, click through, and I'll leave an email, my email in the link in the description below. If you guys are interested, email me proof of your receipt, because there's no other way I can track that you guys actually bought it. So you'll have to email me your receipt, and I'll ship you guys right over my bonus. So remember. And anyway, you got 2 days, 9 hours, something, as of this video. So check it out, you guys. Sorry, it was kind of a run together review. Like I said, I just want to get it out to you guys. And I'm still learning how to do video here, so work with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you liked what you seen, you liked my channel, please give me a like and subscribe in the bottom. We're trying to grow this channel up a little bit, so show the love if you could. And yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below on the ClickFunnels, on the hosting, and there'll also be a link for the to come through to see this page. Excuse me, sorry, choked up a little bit there. Anyway, link in the description will be, or links will be in the description below. Sorry, have a good day, guys. Take care.